on your face! Are you hiding? Are you hiding, Ellie? He's hiding from me. Yeah. You look cute. Oh, yeah. What you doing over there, huh?
I'm reading.
You're being a nerd. Reading your comic books. Who are you, Carl?
I'm trying.
Are you Carl? No, he's kidding.
I'm trying to catch up.
Yeah.
I'm behind.
He's way behind. Yeah. Cute. Hey, Levi! You excited?
Yeah.
Open up the trunk.
Yeah, I'm gonna open up.
I don't know if there's enough stuff in there. Oh, you got it here.
So what's this?
That's Ashley's dad's old gaming computer. It's got a graphics card and
And
stuff in
he's
it.
not gonna deal with it anymore?
Nope, it's yours.
Okay.
There's the case
Look
from
at this,
Sean.
Asher.
That's not mine.
No,
Well,
not necessarily.
Not
You-
necessarily.
Yeah, you just are gonna rebuild some stuff.
Yeah.
There's hard drives and stuff in there. There's a bunch of stuff, but I need you guys to take in the groceries. You gotta start cooking, all right?
Okay.
I don't know. There's a can.
Aaron needs the turkey bacon soft. The turkey bacon is already pre-cooked, so.
Don't sass me.
What? I didn't sass you.
See what the boys are. I'm busting in.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
Ooh.
Say
I'm
hi,
building
Asher.
Asher's PC. He got me to build it because he just.
Well, you gotta help, Asher.
Yeah.
Then you'll learn.
Yeah.
I did learn.
Continue
I learned
learning.
whenever I did have a gaming computer. He showed me every single part, and I graphics card. Like this is a Geeks motherboard.
That's RAM, Asher.
So this is the
That's the
Geeks.
motherboard, and then that's
That's
the RAM.
RAM. That's the motherboard. And this is gigs too. This has 4 gigs. This had 2 gigs. Because this is way different. This is the hard
Asher's a
drive.
nerd.
This is the hard drive. But this is the motherboard.
What?
Hard drive.
That's not a hard drive.
What is it?
It's a graphics card.
Graphics card.
See, you should be helping him. Are you learning, Elliot?
Yeah.
So you can build yours later?
He's watching.
Sort of like how I watched Isaac.
Aaron's
Okay.
going to have this case.
Well, you're gonna help build yours
Aaron's
later,
going
right?
to have
Yeah.
this case.
I figured he would take that case.
Aaron's
Did you see
going
what my
to
dad did with the side of that? He like
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
I
yours.
saw what he
Aaron,
did.
he
stop.
cut it out. And put
Aaron,
glass in it.
Aaron is going to have lights.
Nice.
And he's going to have a cool case.
Yeah.
This.
Just enough plates. Okay.
Like hot. Very hot.
I've always wanted to call it.
You don't like this apron pulled up way high.
Whatever, dude.
Hello, young country. Time to eat.
Ash, grab a plate.
Here's my plate.
No. Let's go.
One plate.
Grab like 2 or 3 pieces of bacon, 2 or 3 pieces of sausage.
Okay.
And then-
and I'm probably gonna put all my bacon on my pancakes.
There you go.
Hold on, you just grab it.
Yeah, that's okay. Let's go. It's good for you.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, you found it.
There.
Perfect.
You couldn't see it? It's right in front of you, Isaac.
Yeah.
And you couldn't see it.
All
Wow.
right. Cool. Go ahead and put your plate on the table before you get a drink, though. You get hot sauce. Oh, you get syrup. Okay, we'll take that to the table. Thanks. Good job.
What about the?
No, that's fine. Just
Do I just grab a
do the same.
waffle or pancake?
Yeah, grab a waffle.
Whatever it is.
Grab an waffle.
These are big.
I need a
They're
cup.
like pancake sized.
There you go. Yeah.
Here's a cup.
Nope, nope. Well, I guess you can try. I don't care. You want some eggs?
Yeah,
That's
in the
good.
room.
You want some eggs?
Yeah.
You want some
Yes,
sausage?
Dad.
Sure. All right, that's good, Aaron. No more of that.
Take your plate from the table before you take your drink.
I know.
Okay.
Don't take that juice because that's mine.
You want help? Do you want me to help you?
No,
Turn your plate around.
Hang on. We got some eggs.
There you go.
Yes, the table.
Hold it.
Okay.
Hold it.
Careful, everybody.
Do you want more? More?
Excuse me.
All right, is that good? Excellent.
Oh, wait, I missed.
Good? All right, let's go. You don't want this? Like this? You need a fork?
Mine is under Elliot's.
All right, here, just go ahead. Go ahead.
Levi's? Or I mean,
That's what you always say.
Nice. Throw it up. Like aim up. You'll catch more air that way. You're going to like hit your brother in the face.
Don't get hit. You don't throw well. Throw
Yeah.
from the back a little.
Can you hold this? It's in my pocket. That's the worst
Alright, slide that side off.
Oh, okay. Let me slide it off now. 0. Forgot that. Okay, it's off. Hey, Isaac.
Yeah.
Usually, every time I open a box, it ends up getting all ripped into pieces.
Well, don't rip it into pieces.
Okay, I need help opening a box like this.
Take this tab off.
Okay.
Like, pull this out. There should be no cords at all. All the cords you stick in individually. So come into your case and take these cords and kind of move them out of the way. Alright?
Like this.
Yep, just pull them up and out very gently and kind of hang them out over the other side, alright? Out of the way. There you go. Boom. Cool.
Oh yeah.
So that fan is going to go in the bottom of the case. You see how there's holes here?
Yeah.
It's so that the air can come in the back and go out the bottom, alright? So that fan's going to go on the bottom and the switch is going to go on the back. So go ahead and put it in there. Fan on the bottom, switch on the back.
Fan on the bottom.
This is the bottom. Switch is over there. Switch needs to be over there.
How
So
do I?
pick it up.
Oh, like this.
Yes.
That's how the logo is actually.
Okay.
It's sort of like this.
Okay, so flush it up then.
What's that mean?
You want it to be flush with your case. So you see this tab? This tab is going to be on the top right here. Okay? There you go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Slide it back. Slide it back now. If you look in the back, there should be holes where the screws will go in. In the back? The back.
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 Yeah.
This is back.
Why are you calling it back?
This is the back of your computer.
Well, from the way you're looking at it, to me that's
No, look, this is the front of the computer. This is the front.
Okay.
This is the back.
Okay,
Understand?
I'm not really thinking of it like that. I'm
Okay.
thinking of it like
Well,
that.
think of it that way then, okay?
Okay.
So, where the back is, you're going to have places here, 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 and here to put in screws. So, if you get back into your box, there should be a little packet with screws in it.
This.
Hey, you got the bulb? Oh, you're still.
Yeah, sorry.
This. Screws. I found this one.
Yeah, excellent.
More wire things. I don't know what these are.
Well, let's see, does it go in there? Check. To see if there's here, we can pull it out real quick actually. Yep, looks like you have a screw there.
Okay. Can you hold it?
Yep.
Okay, I think that's the best I can get it. It wasn't even going in. Okay, sorry, it like fell under the seat.
Oh, it's already good now. Now, these ones we can tighten down quite a bit because it's just all metal, you know. The motherboard you don't want to tighten down too much because the motherboard you don't want to tighten down too much because It's made of like plexiglass and stuff.
Plexiglass.
Yeah, it's made of
What's that?
softer material. It's like plastic, kind of.
Oh.
All right, next is your motherboard. Now we have this in. Go ahead and touch this so you can ground yourself.
Ground myself.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Basically, if you go like this and you zap someone, or you go like this and you zap someone, you're creating static electricity. Now, if you accidentally rub a little bit on your shirt or on the couch like you're rubbing right now, and then touch your motherboard, you could damage something in it. So by doing this, you're grounding yourself.
What's that? Like, what's that?
It discharges the built-up static electricity, and this will absorb it and ground it. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead and stand up. That way you're not rubbing up against that. You just have to do it once. You just do it once.
Okay.
So go ahead and stand up so that you're away from that. When you go to put it in, this needs to go in first.
What needs to go in first?
This, because this is going to be your back plate. Very good. Now just slide it back towards the back right here, so it lines up real nice.
That was easy.
All right. Now there's going to be points
Point.
that this mounts into. Okay. So like right there, 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 right there. So this is where this comes into. You should have fasteners in here. All right.
And fasteners.
Fasteners.
Fasteners. What are fasteners?
Fasteners are like screws or bolts or anything that fastens it
Okay.
to the. So. All right, we have all sorts of different screws in here. So let's figure out what the right one. All right, there's one right there.
Mhm.
Perfect.
Yep. Skin tight.
Excellent.
Like I can feel it. Get it down.
It's a cool looking motherboard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty big.
Okay, that's good.
All right. It looks like if we go up, there's one right here.
Okay.
Now, while you're doing it, this is where your processor goes.
Yeah, and you're not supposed to touch the whole like yellow there, like you know what I mean, the whole needle, whatever. The
Yeah,
heck.
none of those. And this is your RAM. Levi and Asher taught him some stuff while he was over there today. Yeah, way cool. All right. The next one looks like it's right there.
The most fun I've ever had screwing things in.
You said this is you're the best time you've ever had screwing?
Yes,
Yeah.
things in. Something.
I can't say the same, but
See any more?
nope.
Yeah, me neither. Looking around just in case. Yeah, looks like we were yeah.
All right, cool. So let's go to the next step, which is going to be your processor. So come back around.
Okay.
All right, now this one's very important. All right. So go ahead and come look at this real quick. It is your tab. Go ahead.
yeah.
It goes out or like down,
Mhm.
and then you pull it up. So that way and then up, just a little bit.
What now?
Go ahead and do this first.
Okay.
So this tab, go ahead and
Put it in.
here. Look at the tab. I need you to touch this.
Why?
You need to pull it out and up. This tab right here. You see it? No, this tab, this metal bar,
Yeah, what?
because you're opening it.
Oh. Oh, that's.
There you go. See,
How do I. What? Opening?
see look,
That's
look
weird.
the way it's sliding. All right.
Oh.
So now there's all these little holes that's going to slide into, and then when you go like this, it's going to lock them in place.
What degree is it outside? And you're wearing short
So you're not supposed to
I think
mess
like that's the
No.
only type of
If you
shoes
bend
he
it,
really
it's
kinda
done.
owns that he wears.
All right.
Good. That's scary.
So ground yourself.
Alright, so I'm
Come
gonna
up
ask
here.
you this question. Have you got most of your Christmas shopping done yet?
All right. So just stand up right there.
I'm broke. There's a lot of stuff
Stand up.
happened in the last couple months. that I
Go
just
ahead and grab it
don't have money.
and
Any
place it in
Christmas
there.
shopping besides me?
Go ahead and look at it.
I started.
All right. You
Okay.
see how there's two holes close and two spaces fine? Yeah. And look here.
And then I had to get a billing.
And see where they're
and
close
pay
and
for some
far.
X-rays.
And then turn it.
And then I
face down, very
lady
careful,
doctor things happen that cost me like
and you're gonna set it in there. Okay.
So now I'm like, wait.
It should drop right in. Okay, don't force it or anything. Just
That's
bump it
fine.
over. Bump it over. I'm doing this so that it'll cover the whole thing.
It's a brown ale? That's what this tastes
But
like.
I'm gonna flatten it out, just like we did in the mugs.
What do you mean you're
Like the
gonna flatten it
thermal
out?
paste?
Yeah.
Wait, is that the thermal
Yes.
handle?
This is thermal paste right here. That.
Oh.
Thanks.
You
this
guys
is-
thought you didn't know
Hey,
about
teach
the
us what you're
spreading
teaching
thing.
him.
What?
Teach us what you're teaching him.
Okay, so this is the cooler.
Yeah.
Right now, the processor definitely looks bigger than the default thermal paste they have on here.
Oh, thermal paste.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's
So-
that's to make the
It's like the heat. It is.
yeah,
It is
the heat sinks. It's so
Yeah.
that the heat can dissipate through the
Right.
and then
Exactly.
the fan
Just like
runs
the
air
radiator.
across it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. So,
That's
but
like
that's
how your car works.
that's bigger than the chunk they had here, and we had extra stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this on here.
What you're
Oh.
trying to get. Do.
You want to take this tab and
Just
put it
because
over
they
there.
can up there.
Okay.
You like it?
It's very
Well,
delightful.
This is gonna.
Yeah, and of course, some of this in there. To make
No,
it,
no, no.
it'll upgrade the flavor profile. Aha!
Good one. Right now that's on there, and you're just gonna lock it. Go ahead and lock it on there.
I'm gonna pop it before he locks it.
Here, here.
Ah.
She said you're gonna make me freak out. Put this
Perfect.
like that.
Okay.
Like a leaf.
You have to touch.
It's the back of the power core.
He has to touch it while he's putting it in.
Now, just well, a lot of people will get these dumbass wrist bracelets. They'll have like a metal diode right on your wrist, and the other part is just clamped onto the back of that, so that they're constantly grounded. But it's really dumb. Like my brother was putting together computers in socks and carpet on the ground earlier today, and it was fine. However,
I mean, there's always a chance.
yeah.
That stores power, right?
Well, okay, so this has got so much electrical mumbo jumbo that whenever you touch it, it'll discharge into there and then ground it. How? Magic. PFM. Pure magic. PFM. Okay, so
Oh, we're learning things now. I didn't know that term.
Did you
Your
see?
brain's just exploding right now.
Did you see? You see how there's these little breaks here?
Yeah.
Like how there's two channels. There's two channels here. Go ahead and line them up correctly and put it in like channels 4 and 2. Okay, so go to 4. Line it up. That's 1.
Oh.
Go to 4. Line up. You gotta put it straight in. Doing the same thing as your mother.
That's funny.
They're always trying to like wedge it in. I'm like, no, you just. Yeah, it was back in the day. CD burner, DVD burner, DVD. Now you got all in one, obviously.
They do. Okay, I was
Yeah,
wondering.
yeah, that's what that is.
What is this?
We're not there yet. Put that down. Grab your disk
that
drive.
the-
RTP.
Does that have
What?
the operating system on it?
No,
Grab my what?
your disk drive.
Okay.
Take it out of the little plastic bag.
You got this, Elliot. Wait.
Okay, it's out.
All right, go ahead and
Put it-
orient it so that the words are the right way and that you're looking at the words.
Okay.
All right, and then you're gonna walk to the front of the computer and you're gonna slide that sucker in on the bottom slot. All right?
Slide it right here.
Oh, okay.
There you go. You're right here. You're in a good spot. Just push it in right there.
Push it in right here.
Up a little bit higher. Up, down, down, right there. I think maybe a little bit lower on that side. There you go. I'll hold it.
Super pressed that day.
We're gonna go with that
On
channel
leave and you
because
didn't say anything. You just
yeah.
left it out the door.
so I'm gonna take this,
Shit, man.
bend it, and break it off because that's what it's gonna occupy. All right, so
Sad times.
these
Yeah.
what was in there?
He was like for
This?
me, like even when he was in a shitty mood, he was still nice.
Nope.
Yeah.
It's not gonna fit that way, is it?
Did you hear about the mice?
No.
Do you want me to do this?
So I guess
Yeah.
when the
Got it.
I'm in trouble.
new Brian took over.
What we're gonna do is we're going to load the operating system to the solid state drive.
And then you're gonna boil it, mash it, and stick it in a stew.
And by having it on a solid state drive, it'll boot up in a few seconds.
What's
Because
this?
there's nothing that has to spin. It's just, oh hey, you
So what's
exist.
this supposed to do?
This is gonna be your OS. So take this
My
bracket
what?
out. Your
Operating
OS.
system.
Yeah.
So like I can start up everything.
Yeah, that's gonna have your, like when you click the button and Windows comes up, that is gonna be right on there. It's gonna be in there.
Oh, so this is a Windows one?
No, it's blank. We're gonna put Windows on it.
Oh.
We're gonna make it a Windows one.
Cool.
So is
So
that
what
his,
do we
is
do
that
after
his
this?
memory then?
Yeah, it's just empty memory.
Where do I
Yeah.
put this?
And then go go ahead and take this bracket out, and you're gonna take the bracket out, pitch it,
It's got two things.
Oh, pinch it like this. I know what you meant.
and then go ahead and find. Nope, you're gonna put it on there. You're gonna mount it onto there.
Okay, so what now?
So the cords are gonna go out the back. So this is gonna be mounted here.
What do we have after this, anyways? Like once we put this all straight.
Rigging up all the power. Okay, so there's places here or here to put fasteners. You can choose.
So what? Choose what now?
For fasteners.
What do you want to call them?
So the fasteners.
It's loose right now, isn't it?
Yeah. So do I put it back in right now?
No, you gotta. It's gonna fall out if you put it in right now. Stop waving it around. Look, you gotta put fasteners in here because right now it's not secure.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're getting in a hurry, buddy.
No.
What do you got? Some
Wait,
bullshit
wait,
tester?
wait. Stop throwing it around. The O-ring on that's really loose up top. That's, yeah. The ones that came with it were way too tight. It's,
Did you get all four in?
Nope.
it's a mix
I
between a
got
custard
one.
and a plum and blueberry mix.
Or two. There's two in. 2 out of 4. So.
It's a little bit harsh, but it's good.
Oh, I think it's smooth. And really good cloud there.
It's only a 0.4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you want? Higher or lower?
What do you mean?
Resistance.
Doesn't matter either.
I know, right?
As long as it's good flavor and good cloud, I don't care.
I like that. When I have the good cools in there, because the way it is. PCI.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Slow mode.
I'm hungry.
Oh.
Oh, holy crap! It's so hot in there.
Yeah, you are.
So wait, what's setting off the smoke
Yeah, it's
detector?
working.
Our vapes. Our mad vapes.
I mean, it doesn't seem smoky in here to me.
You see?
Sometimes light stuff.
Like stuff.
What are you doing, man? Come
Couldn't
on.
wait for that.
What?
You're
No,
just like,
couldn't wait for what?
I need that opine now.
Yeah, I need the opine now.
But I thought we were vaping, yo.
Oh my god.
Let's vape.
Why?
My feet.
Wait, you cross over my feet?
I ate a big bite. It was good.
I bet.
Have a place to set it.
I just do guns.